So today is 2nd April 2024, and this trade was taken in the morning as a part of intraday trade. So the stock name is Power Finance Corporation, and my analysis was in last day candle, it was a bullish candle, and the nearest liquidity is this one. Why this one? Because we can find fair value gap inefficiency here. This was the inefficiency, and like whatever happens, and the most probable thing is that price will at least reach up to this inefficiency, and therefore this is our drawn liquidity. So having that in mind, we went to our 5 minutes chart in the next day. So but then what we see in the next day is price from the very beginning was making lower highs and lower lows. So it was a bearish structure. So although we were anticipating a bullish move, we are not getting any bullish move in the morning. But after the 10:30, the price was taking some bullish move, and here, right here, it formed the first market structure shift. Here. So ideally, we should have expected some trade from here, but uh, as the day was moving, it was pretty much clear that it was too bullish. Like many other trades or many other stocks were showing too much bullishness, and therefore I did not expect that it will come down here in 50% area. So then I waited. I waited for the price to take the previous day high. This was the blue line here. So it formed the fair value gap here, bullish fair value gap, and uh, took the previous day high. Then I was waiting for the second fair value gap from which I can take the trade. But in 5 minute time frame, it was difficult to find the second fair value gap because first of all, the second fair value gap was formed right here. I could have taken the trade from here, but you can see the drawn liquidity is quite close. So 2 to 2.5 reward to risk ratio could not be obtained. So what also many other stocks are moving too fast, like not giving any opportunity to the retailers. That means not retracing. So all of them were moving crazy. So what I did was I shifted to 3 minutes time frame and started finding uh, inefficiencies here. Second fair value gap. So that was here. This was my second fair value gap. So this is perfectly all right. This was the first one in 3 minutes time frame. Then after retracing, this was the second one. So I took my trade right from the beginning of the fair value gap. So which is this point. The PC is hanging for no reason. My stop loss were like here, and as you know, the target was the next drawn liquidity, which was already defined. This black line, as you may remember. So around I think 1:30, we achieved the target. So the entry time was 12:30, and after 1 hour, we got the target. So this was a 3.5 2:1, 3.3:1 reward to risk ratio. So that's it. That was the trade for 2nd April.